हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तुम्हें समेटिव वन रो जो इंग्लिश परीक्षा दीच दशम श्रेणी से इंग्लिश सेट ए आम प्रश्न उत्तर एवं आलोचना करवा। व्हाट डिड गांधी वेरी जिलियस गार्ड? सठिक उत्तर हम हिज कैरेक्टर। 2 नंबर अच्छी व्हाट ड्रू टीयर्स फ्रॉम गांधीज आईज? द लीस्ट मोरल डिफेक्ट। बी how did Lencho feel when he counted the money? Now he became angry. In whom did Lencho have deep faith? That is simple. Now God. What was the single hope in the hearts of all the members of Lencho's family? Help from God. What were Lencho's smaller children doing until their mother called them to dinner? Now playing near the house. Which came directly in the way of Gandhi's serving his father? Option D, compulsory exercise. Lencho's solitary house was situated on the crest of a low hill. According to Gandhi, a man of truth should be a man of care. Gandhi retained his false notion about handwriting until he went to England. Why, according to C.F. Alexander, do you play in the meadows? What, according to C.F. Alexander, has God given to the little birds? A. Tiny wings. Whose voice, according to William Wordsworth, is thrilling in springtime? B. Cockroach. Where, according to Wordsworth, do the tired travelers take a rest? In some oasis among the Arabian deserts. What kind of song is the solitary reaper singing? B. Melancholy. The solitary reaper was singing by herself. D. Where do rushes grows? By the water. The two seasons described in the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful are the summer and the winter. Wordsworth says that the girl's song may be related to some dash, sorrow, loss or pain. Some see hava natural. Wordsworth bore the thrilling sound of reaper's song in his heart. Who gave milk to Timothy in a feeding bottle? Now Mahmud the cook. What was Timothy's favorite place in the house? B. Drawing room. What did the grandfather used to do whenever Timothy growled? Now he would smack him across the mouth. Timothy was glad to have the tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Toto was bold enough to pull Timothy by the tail. What made the beggar stop drinking? Olga's kind words and noble deeds. Sergei engaged the beggar in the work of chopping wood. B. Where did Sergei first meet the beggar? In Sadovya street. Sergei was an dash by profession, an advocate. D. Sathik uttara. The rumor that our headmaster is leaving school is true. The underlined clause is a noun clause functioning as. Sathik uttar haba B. An expression in opposition to a noun phrase. State which of the following is grammatically acceptable. B. What an intelligent girl she is. The flower smells sweet. Complement of a verb. Let's go on a picnic. In the above sentence, the subject is we. This is a very beautiful movie. If the sentence is turned into an exclamatory, which of the following is grammatically acceptable? What a beautiful movie this is. B hava sathik uttara. The jury dash divided on this issue. The jury were divided. His brothers as well as his uncle dash responsible for his success. Now are responsible for his success. The governor and chancellor of the university dash been invited to the function. Has been invited. This number, not only boy but also his friends are equally guilty. My father who is working at Koraput is a doctor. The underlined clause is a non-definiting relative clause. I write with the pen dash my brother give me which. All depends on how the work is done. Pick out the noun clause. See how the work is done. What was the notice you were looking at? This is the point in the film where Sumanta went to college on a scooty. His brother works on a farm. The work should be finished by Sunday. He is made from milk. What is the best cure of cold? जो मैंने केसी राउत एजुकेशन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना कि जो मैंने चैनल नुआ से दयाकोरी सब्सक्राइब करने सहित बेल आइकन ऑल को क्लिक करी नुआ वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन पाई परिबे। धन्यवाद।